It feels like there's a rod knock now. My suspension's going now. It's like everything bad is happening all at once. The underbody's rusted, the rear crash bar is rusted. It's sort of falling apart, and it's just not that clean. But yep, there's your transmission. And there's my rusting body. And after driving for a bit, I noticed the CV axle is just making so much fucking noise. Like it's bad. And I was 200 miles away from any shop, so I had to just live with it. And I had to drive through fucking Massachusetts, which is the shittiest roads in all existence. It's like a third world country out there. And literally, I thought it was just the CV axle was gonna snap halfway on the highway. Oh shit, look at this fucking motor mount. Look at that fucking shit. What the shit? Holy shit. Oh my god, I'm literally gonna die. Anyways, oh man, this car's full of surprises. Just gonna require a lot of work to get it back. Where the fuck am I right now? Huh. Hold on. 1 minute. I swear. Almost there. A little bit too far. Perfect. So I guess the secret's out. I'm not dead. Woo. But my EP3 is, unfortunately. I sold it back in October of 2018. I can get into the reasons why I actually sold it in another video. But for now, I'll just talk about a brief update to get you guys up to speed. Clearly, I bought another car. I bought this Mazda 3. It's a 2018 with the manual, with a 2.5. I bought that in March of 2019, and I've had it ever since. I actually bought it new. Has around like 6,000 miles on it now, but got it with like 100 miles pretty lit. But basically what happened after the EP3 was I wasn't really sure what to do. I mean, I didn't have a car for around like 10 months or so, and I was sort of going through a whole process of trying to figure out what car to get in terms of what fit my life the best, and I sort of settled on this car. There's a lot of other cars I could have gotten, but I can definitely go into the reasons why I bought this specific car over any other car in another video as well. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a quick update and just sort of let you know that I'm not dead, EP's dead, and there's a new car. Expect new videos coming out pretty soon on the topics that would cover all this situation. But yeah, peace out.